DIY auto repair.
All right, guys, and we are back, and we have some more Harbor Freight savings for you guys today. So today we're going to be looking at Harbor Freight's Fall Super Savings Event. That's Friday, October 27th through Sunday, October 29th. So we're jumping on it a little late, but you still got time to go and take advantage of these great sales. So one more time, guys. It's the Fall Super Savings Event, and it starts Friday, October 27th through Sunday, October 29th. So we're going to go ahead and go through these coupons. Before we start, all the coupons are going to be, we're going to go ahead and read each coupon. It's limit 1 coupon per customer per day. And this specific one is 15% off any single Bauer or Hercules tool or accessory products purchased, not valid on prior purchases. Non-transferable. Original coupon must be presented. Coupon cannot be combined with other discounts or promotions. Other restrictions apply. Valid 10/27/23 through 10/29/23. So all these guys are going to say basically the same thing at the bottom. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the good parts. So first one up, we have any single Bauer or Hercules tool or accessory product. Everyone gets 15% off. And if you're Inside Track Club member, you get 20% off. So again, guys, this is also why it pays to be Inside Track Club member. You get an extra 5% off. 5% is not much, but it comes in handy. Any amount of savings is definitely worth it. So next, we got any single Haulmaster towing or material handling product. Again, everyone saves 15% off. Inside Track Club member, you get 20% off. Moving on to any single floor jack and jack stands products. Everyone saves 10% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 15% off. Next, we got any single Icon or Quinn hand tool. Everyone saves 20% off. If you're Inside Track Club member, you get to enjoy 25% off. Moving on, any single Hardy gloves, which is mechanics, nitrile, leather, and more. Everyone saves 20% off. Inside Track Club members get 25%. Next, we have any single air compressor. Everyone saves 10% off. Inside Track Club members, you guys get 15% off of that. Next, we got any single tarp. Everyone saves 20%. Inside Track Club members, you get 25% off. Next, we got any single welder or plasma cutter. Everyone saves 15%. Inside Track Club members, you get 20% off of that. Moving on to the next one, we have any single Braun or Quantum lighting product. Everyone saves 15% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 20% off. Next, we got any single Viking battery product. Everyone gets 15% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 20%. Next, we have any single Portland outdoor power equipment. Everyone gets 10% off. Inside Track Club members, you get 15% off. And last, but certainly not least, we have any single Yukon or U.S. General storage product. Everyone saves 10% off, and if you're Inside Track Club member, you get that 15% off. So there you go, guys. There is your coupons. All these coupons are no exclusions. These are usually the good coupons to get, especially on these. So the ones that I would take advantage of, obviously, if you could get, if you're Inside Track Club member, it's a lot better for you. Me personally, I would definitely go with any floor jacks and jack stands for the 10 or 15% off. Also, the any single Icon, I would use it on Icon, not necessarily Quinn, but I would use it the hand tool, any Icon or Quinn hand tool for 20 or 25% off. And then the Braun or Quantum lighting, 15 to 20% off. And then last but not least, I would also go for the Yukon or U.S. General storage products. Maybe for these, You can wait till you get a special coupon out that's like 20 or 25% off with no exclusions. But if you're inside Track Club, remember that 15% off is going to put a little small dent into that price point, so that's good. So anyway, guys, there is your super coupon for your fall super savings event. Again, Friday, October 27th, and it ends Sunday, October 29th. So guys, if you guys take any advantage of these deals this weekend, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. Let us know what you took advantage of, which coupon you used, what product you got, what products, and also what products you like or you don't like. I will definitely, if I take advantage of any of these sales, I will definitely put out a video and let you guys know what we purchased. Don't think I'm going to take advantage of this weekend sale. I'm pretty set. We might look at the Any Single Icon hand tool for the 20% off. But other than that, we'll let you guys know. So anyway, guys, there you have it. There's your weekend savings event happening this weekend. Anyway, guys, we'll go ahead and end it there. As always, if you guys like my videos, please go ahead and head down there to the bottom, hit that like button. I would greatly appreciate it, as well as if you're not already a subscriber, if you could go down there, take 2 seconds, subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. So anyway, guys, as always, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you guys would like to be notified when I put out another video, make sure to hit that bell notification. And as always, guys, please subscribe to my channel for more informational videos and DIY projects. And until next time, guys, have a good one.